Our workshop is located out at the Las Vegas Speedway. When you enter our offices, you'll see our front office desk and our conference room, see a bunch of pictures of the cars that we have built. Blaine has pretty awesome equipment.
We have a lot of really cool equipment. We have a plasma table so we can cut out sheet metal, so door panels, roof panels, all the flat plate work that we need in the cars. We also have a CNC tube cutter for our roll cages so we can CNC cut and bend all of our cages. We also have a mill and a lathe for really making those precise parts that takes the hand controls to a next level where they're really customized for you. If we need to move something, an eighth of an inch, one way or another, we can make that happen.
We also have an employee that can work on some of the smaller jobs, some oil changes, check your tires, prep your car, get it ready for a trip. And some of our clients, they're kind of those weekend warriors. They take their families out to play, go camping, but we also have some of our clients that race either professionally or in amateur racing, and we prep their cars so that they're ready for the race. You can visit us at ironbornoffroad.com, at ironbornoffroad on Instagram, or just give us a call.